Welcome to RosettaHUB. In this tutorial we will show you how to launch an Ubuntu Virtual Lab. Please make sure you are selecting the Overview tab, and that you are selecting the Workspaces and Labs perspective. Select Amazon Web Services as the cloud provider. Choose the region. For this tutorial we will choose Ireland. Create a new storage from the Simple Storage Drives view. Now set it as the default storage. Right-click on the storage and click Set Default Storage. Click on the storage to access the AWS console. We will upload a text file here. Let's go back to the RosettaHUB console. From the Virtual Labs view, click on Ubuntu 20 to launch it. An Ubuntu icon will appear under Sessions. Wait until you see a green tick on the upper left corner of the Sessions icon. This will take between 2 and 3 minutes. Once the green tick appears, you can click on the session icon to open a connection to your virtual lab in a new tab. Click Connect. You are now connected to your virtual lab. And here is our text file. We will create another one here. If we click on the storage, we can find the newly created file. As the storage is mounted on the lab, any file that we add to the workspace folder will be uploaded to the storage and vice versa. Thank you for following this tutorial. See you in the next one. Bye for now.